Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Tia Shanice. Today's wig is going to be on Beautyforever wig. This hair did come pre-packaged. It does come with a headband. I also got some wig caps, a wig grip, and the package came in very neatly inside of a plastic bag. It did have the information at the bottom of the bag as well. This is a FB30 13x4 lace frontal wig. The density is about 150% density, and it did come in a body wave texture. The waves on it is so pretty, so bouncy. It did have a few flyaways, but I did go ahead and bleach the knots, pre-washed it, and the waves did come back. So I already have my ball cap placed down. I'm just going to fit this wig on my head because I haven't tried it on yet. I do want to see where exactly it fits on my head and to see where I'm going to actually apply the glue. The wig fits kind of perfectly. I didn't need to adjust anything regarding the ear tabs. It does go right above my ear, so I didn't need to cut nothing extra off. The lace was actually a light brown lace, and later on this video you kind of can see the difference between light brown and transparent, but it did blend very well. I did add baby hairs, of course, to cover up the hairline, so you can't really see it too much. But the wave pattern did flow very well. After washing it, the waves did come back. I do go ahead and just apply my makeup to the inside of my cap, and I do take my hot comb after I did spritz the hairline just to go ahead and move all the baby hairs that's going to be flying around. I did go ahead and hot comb it back so I won't have any troubles with it sticking onto the glue. And I do want to mention that I did go ahead and pluck this hairline. It did come semi pre-plucked, not too much for my liking, but I did go ahead and pluck some more of it. And this wig was giving nothing but scalp. I absolutely love the way the lace was reflecting on my head, because every way I parted you see nothing but scalp, so I absolutely love that. I did use my Got to Be Glue free spray for the actual adhesive of this wig. I didn't use a glue. I used the Got to Be Glue free spray with no problems, and I did go ahead and just place it. And then of course y'all know the typical installing. You put your elastic band, you wait for it to dry, and so on. I'm not going to do too much talking in this video. I do want to just show y'all exactly what I did. Of course, I do the same steps. All my steps are repetitive, but I absolutely fell in love with this install. I never really do a side part, but this time I wanted to do a side part. I wanted to do a couple of baby hairs, and I did love the finished results. So keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up at the end, and thank y'all. Keep watching. And I know I said I wasn't going to do any more talking, but I do have to mention this hair was super thick. For it to be 150% density, this hair was really thick. I don't know if it was the actual hair or how much hair is actually on this wig, but this hair was really thick, and I love that so much. This hair really feels like 180% density. It doesn't just feel like 150, it feels like 180% density. I love how the highlights are brown and not blonde, because it does give a different look than the other wigs. So I love that about the hair. The hair doesn't feel like really silky, kind of like that silky shiny kind of feel, whatever. It does have a very nice luster. It feels like it blends naturally with any kind of ethnicity. So I love that about this wig. It has more of a kind of texture hair feel to it. It does have a shine to it also, so even though it does have a more texture feel, it does have a slight shine to it. I had no problems with curling this hair. It took heat very well with no problems. My curls didn't drop. It remained intact for a while, so I had no problems with curling. It takes heat very well. It has a very nice luster to it, and overall I had no problems with this hair. Hopefully I'll do a review, a couple of weeks review, so you can really get an idea of what it actually looks like. But this wig was very nice. I'm gonna have to switch up, maybe do a middle part the next time, but I did love my side part and it turned out very well. So again, keep watching. Sorry to disturb, and just keep watching to the end.